Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to clone a GitHub repository in Visual Studio Code and how to push your changes back to GitHub. Before we start, here's one important term to understand. Git push means uploading the changes you made in your local project to the remote repository on GitHub. Now let's begin. First, open the GitHub repository you want to clone. Click the green code button and copy the HTTPS link. Next, open Visual Studio Code. Create a new folder. You can name it GitHub or anything you like. Then, open a new terminal in vscode. Type the following command: git clone, followed by the link you just copied. Then hit enter. Wait a few seconds. You will see the project has been cloned into your folder. Now type cd project1 and press enter. Replace project 1 with the actual name of your project folder. You are now inside your repository. You can now open and edit any file. For example, open the file named readme.md. Let's say we edit the line that says hello everyone and add bye-bye after it. Now let's save the changes and push them to GitHub. First type git add dot, then hit enter. Next type git commit-m, followed by your message in quotes. For example, first commit. Then press enter. Now type git push origin main and press enter. After the push is complete, go back to your GitHub repository and refresh the page. You will see the changes you made. And that's it. You have successfully cloned a GitHub repository, made changes, and pushed them back using Visual Studio Code. Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, please like, share, and subscribe. And feel free to comment if you have any questions.